Have you ever wondered where the term bug came from? If yes, then this video is for you. In the early 19th century, when Thomas Edison had a problem with his telephone designs, he wrote a letter to William Orton, which says as following: "You were partly correct. I did find a bug in my apparatus, but it was not in the telephone proper. It was of the genus Calabellum. The insect appears to find conditions for its existence in all call apparatus of telephones." The letter, which was later auctioned for $12,500, is one of the earliest examples of the word bug to describe a technical issue. Fast forward to 1945, 1 week after Americans celebrated the end of World War II, the massive Mark II computer had shut down that was used by the US Navy. On 9 September 1945, US Navy officer Grace Hopper found a moth between the relays on the Harvard Mark II computer. In those days, computers were really large in size and took up the space of entire rooms. And the warmth of the internal components attracted various insects like moth, flies, and other flying creatures. Those creatures then short-circuited and caused the computer to malfunction. The Navy personnel assigned to the Bureau of Ordnance Computation preserved the insect in the daily log, noting that it was actually the first case of bug being found in a computer. Hopper was one of the first computer geeks in the world and went on to create the first compiler for a computer programming language and worked on the development of COBOL. So they literally had to debug the machine to solve the issue. 60 years later, bugs, worms, and viruses, and a host of other self-replicating intruders, collectively called as malwares, have become the bane of every computer user, and computer security experts estimate that 55,000 new malware programs are launched over the internet every day. So the next time when you have errors on your computer, make sure to check for bugs in them.